Welcome back to Maker's Marvels. Today, we're pedaling into the fascinating world of manufacturing to uncover the intricate process behind crafting one of the most beloved modes of transportation, bicycles. Join us as we take a ride through the engineering, innovation, and craftsmanship that go into creating these two-wheeled wonders. The journey of crafting bicycles begins with frame design and material selection. Engineers and designers work collaboratively to create frames that balance factors like strength, weight, and aerodynamics. Whether it's steel, aluminum, titanium, or carbon fiber, the choice of frame material greatly influences the bike's performance and ride quality. Once the frame design is finalized, the frame tubes are carefully cut and shaped. Advanced machinery and precision tools ensure accurate cuts and consistent dimensions. The tubes are then meticulously shaped to match the design specifications, creating the foundation for the bike's structure. Frame welding and joining is a critical step in bicycle manufacturing. Skilled welders use techniques like TIG, tungsten inert gas, or MIG, metal inert gas welding to join the frame tubes together. The welding process requires expertise to ensure strong and seamless connections that can withstand the forces of riding. After welding, the frame undergoes heat treatment, or annealing, a process that involves controlled heating and cooling. This step improves the frame's strength, durability, and stress distribution. It's a precise balance to achieve the desired properties without compromising the frame's integrity. The painting and finishing stage is where the bicycle's aesthetics come to life. Bikes are carefully prepped, primed, and painted with a combination of techniques, including powder coating and wet painting. Vibrant colors, custom designs, and logos are applied to create a unique visual identity for each bike. Once the frame is painted and dried, it's time for assembly. Bicycles move along the assembly line, where skilled technicians meticulously install components such as the drivetrain, brakes, wheels, handlebars, and saddle. Each component is carefully calibrated and adjusted to ensure optimal performance. The art of wheel building is a specialized skill. Expert wheel builders carefully select spokes and rims, then meticulously tension and true the wheels. Properly built wheels are essential for stability, ride comfort, and efficient power transfer. Before a bicycle is ready for the road, it undergoes rigorous testing and quality control. Bikes are subjected to various tests, including stress tests, impact tests, and ride simulations. Any imperfections are addressed, ensuring that each bike meets safety standards and performs at its best. Beyond the core components, bicycles often feature a range of accessories and customization options. From fenders and racks to different handlebars and grips, riders can tailor the bikes to suit their preferences and intended use. This customization enhances the bike's versatility and personalization. Increasingly, bicycle manufacturers are embracing sustainability and eco-friendly practices. Some companies prioritize using recycled materials, reducing waste during production, and implementing energy-efficient manufacturing processes. Bicycles themselves contribute to a greener environment by promoting emission-free transportation. Handcrafted bicycles hold a special place in the industry. Artisans and custom builders create unique bicycles with meticulous attention to detail. These bespoke creations often feature intricate paintwork, artisanal components, and unique frame designs that cater to individual taste and preferences. Technological innovations continue to shape the world of bicycles. From electronic shifting systems to advanced materials and aerodynamic designs, cutting-edge technologies are pushing the boundaries of performance and efficiency. And there you have it, the captivating journey of how bicycles are made. From frame design and material selection to testing and customization, each bicycle is a testament to the ingenuity and craftsmanship that define this iconic mode of transportation. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Maker's Marvels for more captivating how it's made content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep pedaling and marveling.